Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what's new on Capcut. First, open Capcut and click New Project. And then add the photos or the video. And then hit OK. Now, select the layer of the photo. Make a copy. And then set the duration into 2 seconds for each photo. Okay, now you can select the second layer, go to Style, and choose Cibercity, like this. And this is the result. Okay, and that's the newest style in the CapCut. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.